Trains, historical models, realistic vehicles of all kinds, architecture, modular buildings, western, pirates, and science fiction sets you might not have seen yet. Hello adult fans of bricks! For today's video, we've put together many exciting sets, and we're sure you'll find something special for you. We look back at what has happened over the last years and how it all began in our very special edition of
BlueBrixx-Specials Flashback.
Some of you may know us because of our pro sets, but we also offer so many other things you haven't seen yet. Our story began in 2018 with our first sets called BlueBrixx Specials, with high fidelity to the original, attention to details, challenging building techniques, and more complex sets. Due to simple brown packaging, building instructions for download, and our clear goal, create affordable sets for adult fans of bricks. Initially, we focused on railway and military sets. In recent years, we have produced over 300 various railroad models from different countries, modern and historical locomotives, as well as passenger and freight trains. You can choose from a range of legendary trains from Europe and the United States. Among the historical military models, you will find realistically designed tanks, ships, and other vehicles, along with dioramas of various battles. A large part of our specials are vehicles. You'll find models in scale 1 to 18 as well as smaller sets that will fit perfectly into your brick-built city. We have already shown you some of our cars in another video. In addition to cars, there is also a large selection of trucks. European and American trucks, fire engines, buses, and construction vehicles. In this section you will also find models inspired by classic movies. For fans of architecture, there is also plenty to choose from huge modular buildings, monuments from all over the world, to modern and medieval architecture. We have already shown you the highlights such as our Blaustein Castle and the Astronomer series on our channel. We have designed numerous sets for medieval fans in particular. Look forward to the complete series in another video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. But we're not just looking back into the past, we're also looking far into the future. For our science fiction fans, we have designed various models consisting of 2,000 to 4,000 bricks and of course, some smaller sets. Our pirate series includes several islands that you can combine to create larger scenes. The series includes a governor's island, adding narrative depth and potential for conflict between pirates and colonial authorities. The Western series offers several cool sets to choose from, a huge gold mine, a western fort, and many modular buildings, such as the general store or sheriff's office. Let us know which category is your favorite, and have a look at our website. You will find more upcoming sets in the announcements section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss a single brick of the action. You can never have enough bricks, but you can always get more. Have fun building. Bye.